Hi, this is Bill with Sigma Estimates. We are releasing the BNi Cost Data, and what's terrific about the BNi Cost Data is that it's all unit prices. So building assemblies is quick, fast, and easy. For example, we're going to do some walls here. We're going to do an exterior partition, and we're going to say it's 12 feet tall. So double click on that and drill down. I can type 2x6, and since I have the library open, the list that matches what I type opens up. So I can pick my plates, and you can see I have the library open. It doesn't, I can minimize it, works just as well. Type 2x6, and we'll go down and we'll find the wall framing, 2x6 studs, 16-inch centers. We're going to add some sheathing. Oops, if I could type. We're going to do 1/2-inch CDX. And then we'll throw in some insulation. 6-inch R13. So now I've built my assembly, but you'll notice the partition I'm taking off in linear feet. So let's put linear feet here. And let's say I have 150 linear feet. So now I need to adjust these quantities for a wall that is 12 feet tall. So the plates, that's all linear. I need a double top plate, single bottom, so that's 3. I have a square foot of stud or I have a linear foot of stud per square foot of wall. So since the wall is 12 feet tall, and for every linear foot of the wall, I have 12 feet of sheathing and 12 feet of insulation. So now I've built my assembly. Now I could go into this assembly and adjust the prices. Let's say I want to make this $1.25 for the 2x6s. So now I've saved my assembly. It's costed. It's ready to go. I have a total cost here for the exterior partition. Now what's nice about this is I've adjusted this assembly for myself, and I can start a new library. It opens a new window. I'll just call this walls, and I can take this assembly I just made, drag and drop it, and save it in my own library, and it's customized for the way that I want to use it. I can further customize it. I could go in and I could say that this production rate is wrong, and it's 0.058. Okay, and then just save that library, and now I've created an assembly from the BNi data, customized it, saved it to another library, and I'm ready to go. So you can do that with just about anything. The database is complete, as you can see. It has all the divisions, has everything you're going to need to build assemblies. So thanks for watching this video. If you need more information, go to www.sigmaestimates.com. Thanks.